Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm gonna start something new called the RedPandaMining Fan Mail Unboxing. And this is gonna be a new series where pretty much anybody, viewers, subscribers, Discord members, anybody who wants to send me anything. There's been a few inquiries of people asking for my address. So I do have a PO box or an actual shipping address. If you guys wanna ship to me, it's in the description below and you guys can send me anything. Well, not anything, but you know what I mean. Anyways, one of my great mods, one of my good members, longtime member, SpaceGoats, has sent me this box. And he assured me there is something really cool in here that he wants me to receive. He wanted me to do an unboxing, so thanks to him, I'm gonna start this series. This is episode 1 of the RedPandaMining fan mail. Alright, so this is gonna be really fun. I hope to do more of these in the future. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed, guys, and see what SpaceGoats has sent me. I hope it's nothing profane, because I know SpaceGoats, he's pretty much like that. So, oh, it's hard to do this with one hand and holding the camera at the same time. Wow, SpaceGoats, you taped this up really good. Okay, alrighty. Alright, SpaceGoats, what did you send me? You sent me a lot of packaging here. So, looks like you did a really good job of protecting whatever's inside here. Oh, what's this? What is this? Noctua NHL9A AM4. Okay. What is this, SpaceGoats? You sent me a bracket. I think it's because I have one of these low profile coolers, which I used for my Vega 56. So SpaceGoats sent me the AM4 adapter for that, because the one I had was for Intel. I get it. Okay, SpaceGoats, I see what you're doing. Thanks, man, that's awesome. Looks like I'll have to take it out of my Vega 56 rig and use this on an AMD rig. Alright, man, what else did you send me? What is this? B450 Gaming ITX motherboard? There's no way you sent me an actual ITX motherboard. Okay. Alright, SpaceGoats, there's nothing in here. Actually, you sent me some SATA cables. Alright, I see how it is. Alright, SpaceGoats. Okay, what else has he got here? What else did he send me, SpaceGoats? Jeez, man. You're quite something, SpaceGoats. Seriously. Okay, I don't think this is a GPU. Something tells me this is not a GPU. Okay, SpaceGoats, you send me a 1660 Super XLR8 gaming video card. The box seems pretty light. I'm gonna say this is just for extra padding. Just for good measure, I'm gonna open it up anyway. SpaceGoats, you're killing me. What is this? What is, there's nothing in it. It's just packaging. Ah, SpaceGoats, okay. Just making sure there's no like secret hidden agenda in here. Quick install guide. Alright, SpaceGoats, thank you for the install guide. Thank you for the GPU box. I'm actually gonna add this to my box wall over there, so thank you so much. Alright, we're not done yet. What is this monstrosity box right here? Let's open up this box, shall we? Alright, it says Revival Animal Health Pet Care from the Heart. Alright, I don't have a pet, so we shall see how it is. Alright, let's see what we got here, SpaceGoats. Alright, some good packaging. Okay. What is this? What is this, SpaceGoats? What the heck? You sent me so much stuff. What is this? Alright, you sent me a power cable. What is this? A Corsair? Oh. Okay, this is just a power supply bag. Okay, SpaceGoats. I like that. Thanks so much, man. Okay. Power cable. What is this guy right here? Okay, hold on. Let me open this. You tape this up real good. What is this, SpaceGoats? Okay. Alright. What is this? SpaceGoats. What is this? What is this? ROG Strix, Titan rig, ASRock. We got some Aorus stickers, Intel stickers, Ryzen CPU stickers. Okay. I see. Middle, bottom, top. Oh, SpaceGoats. This is your PCIe power meter. That is really cool. Okay, SpaceGoats. I see what you did here. Okay, so this is a power meter. Middle, bottom, top. Okay, and you have 3 different PCIe cables here. So this is how you measure the power for each different rail. let's say for 2 of them for the GPUs and 1 of them for the PCIe riser. So wow, this is actually sick. SpaceGoats, thank you so much, man. This thing is gonna go well into my crypto mining studio. So once I figure out all the table situation in here, I'm gonna have this nicely set up in this room, and we can do some nice GPU testing with this power meter. Hey, SpaceGoats, thanks so much, man. Damn, this is awesome. I am so excited to use this. I can't wait to see how much different power is being utilized on each different port on the GPU, and as well as a PCIe mining riser to see how much actual wattage is actually coming out of the riser. That's awesome, SpaceGoats. Okay, we're not done yet, guys. We're not done yet. He still sent me some other stuff. What is this? Premium PSU cable kit from Corsair, individually sleeved cables. I don't have an SF series power supply, but I'm sure I could use these down the road. All right, what else we got here? Some Wi-Fi antennas. I think this is for a motherboard. All right, DDR4 3600 RAM. There's nothing in here, SpaceGoats. It's just a box. All right, we're not done yet. What is this? Tekken, what is this? Smart Wi-Fi plug. Oh, okay. SP20 smart Wi-Fi plug. Okay, so I believe these are the ones that HashRaptor uses in his mining shed. And I think SpaceGoats ordered these for me because they didn't have them in Canada here. So SpaceGoats ordered them for me on Amazon.com, as Amazon.ca didn't have these. And apparently these ones can go 240 volt or something. So wow, interesting. I'm gonna try these out later on in another video. That is awesome. SpaceGoats, thank you so much, man. Dang, there's 4 of them in this Tekken box. That's actually legit. Okay, right on, good stuff. Okay, last thing in this box. What did SpaceGoats send me? Okay, what is this? Product number CP0016 18 gauge 5-pack. Oh, yeah, I see. So like a regular 120 plug can go into here, and this goes into the 240 volt PDU. I think they go along with the Tekken switches here. So they go essentially like so. And then since these can be 240 volt compatible, and so I can turn them into smart switches, basically turn them off and on for my devices that use 240 volt. That's awesome. I'm gonna definitely set these up in another video. SpaceGoats, thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. I am seriously in awe of all of the empty boxes you sent me. That is just too wholesome. Okay, last thing in this box is just a Corsair SF600 power supply manual. SpaceGoats, thank you. I'm gonna read through this whole manual. Okay guys, last thing in this box. I believe it's the last thing. This looks like all other packaging. Okay, I'm gonna bring this box out. I'm actually gonna put this on the table because look at the disaster I did on the floor already. It's just so much stuff. SpaceGoats sent me so much packaging. Just hilarious. All right, let's unbox this. And of course, it's taped up really well. All right, I had to use 2 hands for that one. Okay. All right, I got the tape off, and all right, SpaceGoats, what did you send me here? What is this? What is this? A red-looking enclosure of some kind. I'm gonna take out all the padding because I don't think I can lift it up with one hand. Hold on, I'm gonna put the camera down. Alright, I'm gonna use 2 hands for this one. SpaceGoats, what the heck did you send me? SpaceGoats, what is this? What the heck is this? It's red and white. It's in my colors. Okay, there's like a little power button here of some sort. And it looks like this has a ITX motherboard inside. SpaceGoats, there's no way you sent me this. Is this a, what graphic card is? Okay, all right, I'm in shock right now. What is going on? SpaceGoats, is this an actual computer? Holy smoke. I think this is a 3D printed case of some sort. SpaceGoats, why did you send me a whole computer? What the heck? B450 motherboard, right? Oh my goodness, there's no way you put that in there. What? SpaceGoats, I'm gonna have to send you money because there's no way you're giving this to me for free. SpaceGoats, what the heck, man? This is like a full-on computer. Yeah, I can see in there GTX GeForce. I think that's the 1660 Super that you put in there. Oh my god, SpaceGoats, seriously? What the heck? And then the Wi-Fi antennas go into here. Those are the things we saw earlier. Oh my god. SpaceGoats, I'm in shock, man. For people that are watching, SpaceGoats has been around for a long time on my channel as a moderator, viewer, subscriber. Man, I seriously, I don't know why he sent me all this. I'm in shock right now. I am in literal shock. I knew that this was coming. The power meter and the C13 cables with the smart switches over here. I knew these were coming because I asked him to order them for me. But I didn't know that he was gonna send me one of these things. Like a red and white custom, this definitely, yeah, 3D printed with a computer, a whole computer. What the heck? Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I need to go message him right now and say, what is going on, SpaceGoats? Why did you send me a whole computer? This is actually really nice though. This is gonna go well into my crypto mining studio later on. I think I'm gonna put this as my new computer or new PC. SpaceGoats, I'm in shock, man. All right guys, I'm gonna call it there. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think of this first episode of RedPandaMining fan mail, and I hope to do more of these in the future. But please don't send me full-on computers, as I do not need computers. I'm just in shock. I'm just in shock. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out. What the hell, SpaceGoats? My god, SpaceGoats, what the heck? I cannot accept this. Seriously, I cannot accept this. This is way too much, man. Holy smoke. Oh my goodness.